Alright, good day viewers. In this video I'll be showing us how to use PIXARts and PIXALLEB together with Beauty Plus to edit a picture. Okay, you see the reason why we need PixLab. PixLab is meant for graphics, and also you can also use it to edit pictures too. Now the first thing I will do is to get my pictures. Okay, let me go to my gallery. I have my picture here. I have my photo here. This is the picture I want to pick. Okay, I'll just go back to my. Okay, I'll open my PixArts first. The reason why I'm opening my PixArt is because of the background. I want to trim the background. I want to remove the background. Although you can do this in PixLab. Okay, trimming background of PixLab. But if you trim, you will notice some lines. Okay, those lines we need to blur those lines. If you trim using PixLab, you will see those lines, just like what one of our colleague did. He did it so, but because of those lines, I want to blend it so that there won't be a trace of we cutting or placing that picture on the background. So you just click on the plus option here. Okay, if you are new to PixLab and PixArt, you just click on the plus, then to bring you to this option. Don't worry, I will show us. We'll still learn how to use PixArt. I will show us how to make cartoon images, background, stunning 3D images, and the rest. With PixArt alone, you can also create what I'm about creating, but it won't be perfect. So because of the perfection, I need to use Beauty Plus to manipulate, to blur out some backgrounds. So let me go to all photos. Then I'm going to my gallery. I think I have the picture in my gallery. So I'm picking the picture from my gallery. Camera. Here's the picture I want to pick. Okay. Now, the first thing we'll do is to remove the background. How do we remove the background? That's what make use of the cut tool, the cut option. Want to cut? Okay. Don't worry, you can also use Pixar to do graphic design, but let's pick the cut, like the scissors button, the cut tool, that's cut out tool. Once you do that, we want to cut out the background. Now all you just have to do is you don't need to pick any of this. Okay, if you like big background, it may not go. So you see this feature works best on portrait image. Just ignore that. Click on this outline. Now you can increase the size of your brush. Okay, now you highlight the place you want to keep. Okay, now these ones in red, I want to keep them, so I only highlight the image. You see, as you can see, I'm highlighting the image. It's very easy to cut. Okay, I like the image. You can also pick the shadow if you want. Okay, but I don't need the shadow. I'll remove the shadow. Okay, now just highlight all the section you want. Now I've picked all the section now. So if you like, you blur the face. You can also leave it. Already it has been highlighted. Now the hair, make sure you pick the hair. Okay, then click on the same outline tool. Okay, after that you click on this button here. Okay, this button, I'm clicking on it now. Now it's creating a sticker. Now you will notice to remove background, to pick places that looks that has to do with human body, then other part will go off. Okay, as you can see, it has picked. Now let's see this preview. This to preview what it has picked. Now if I should preview, you discover that some part of my body are out, so want to include this part. So you can click on this brush tool. This brush tool. Why this eraser? These are eraser. Why these are brush? So you can use either of the two. Now I want to use the paint brush to select the hair part. That place is out. I want to pick the hair. Pick the hair. Okay, I want to pick everything. The eraser, let me erase a little part of it. Sorry, let me. You just have to be careful. You can zoom with your both hands. Okay, you zoom in and out. Okay, I think this one is more easier. So when you use the eraser in PIXALLEB. Okay, then the eyes, the teeth. Okay, make sure you pick every section. My forehead. Okay, good. I want to erase this other one. I don't need this one. Okay, then the hand, everything is okay. Okay, let's pick the leg. The leg is missing. I would love to pick the background, but no, because of where I want to place it, so I don't need the background. Okay, I don't need the background. Then this hand, a little. Then let me erase the little, this one's here close to my leg. Erase it a little. Pick the brush. Just make sure your work looks accurate. Although this is just for tutorial sake, so I may not make it perfect. Just a little. I think I'm done. Okay, if there's a mistake, maybe because I didn't brush it well. Okay, my beards. Okay, add a little. Okay, my fingernails, make sure everything is picked. Good. Okay, I think we are done with it. Okay, here, this angle. Good, we are done. The next thing we'll do is look at this background very well. I need to erase this part. Okay, add a brush. Okay, might not be perfect. Then you now click on save. Preview it. This is what you see. Okay. You can also erase this place a little. This hair side, this hair part. Add my hair. Let me preview it, sorry. Okay. When it comes to the hair, you have to be careful so you don't cut some part of the hair. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, let's leave it that way. Then I'm gonna click on save. Now I've saved this image. It's saving. Now I've saved this image now. So here, all I just have to do is save it in another format. I'm going to save it in PNG format. Whatever PNG, because of the background, you can see this image has a background. All this section you're seeing here, white and black, it's the background. It's transparent. Okay, they are transparent. So if I should put background, if I come to, for example, fit now, if I should select fit, I can actually put background from this fit. I can pick any background from here, but I don't want to pick background here. I want to take it to PIXALLEB and add my own background. Okay, so I'll just leave it transparent by default. This is transparent how it was. Okay, this is transparent. Adjust it back. Then what I will now do is I'll click on the OK button. Then I will save. How do you save? Just click on this arrow. Okay, I've clicked on it. Then I'll save. I've saved the image now. Now it's the picture is now in my gallery. Now the next thing I'll do is to now go to my PIXALLEB. I'll close this. I don't need this. Go to our PIXALLEB. Okay, here's our PIXALLEB. Okay, let me delete the previous one I did. Okay, this is a new layer, a new template. You just click on this. Then I'll import my picture. Okay, under my recent, you see the picture. I think this should be the picture I just created now. I'll select the picture. Then here's the picture. If you like, you can crop, but don't crop everything. You leave it like this. You see, because of that background there. Then let me move this new text. You can delete this. So for those of you that want to create background, creating a flyer, you want to put in images and blur it, you can do it this way. You can cut. Although you can do that using this tool. These are the things we skipped, not because we actually skipped it, but this eraser tool don't work on some phones. Okay, at times you want to open it, it show you application error, so because of that we don't use it. So but this other erase one, this other option, sorry, this other where is it, this other one, this other erase color is if you want to just remove one particular color from the background. So that's why it makes the solution. But why this other one is to edit, to crop. Okay, just like what I did now, but you can't do it here because depending on your device, I didn't show us how to do that on this on PIXALLEB because of most device. Some devices are low to do it. It will show you application error. Definitely show most of us application error. Even on my device at times it displays application error. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. That's why I skipped that part. Now let's continue. I'll zoom this image. Now look at this image now. If you look at these edges, just where I took the picture, this place is straight, so I will need to hide this place. Okay, I need to place it somewhere here, as you can see, so to look real. Now I need a background. Just look for a background. If you don't know where to get background, okay, the reason why I say this video might be the last video for now is because of one or two features that we didn't mention earlier. So I want to bring in those features now. You want to get background. I told us earlier on, you want to get background from Google. You can get background. Okay, there are formats. Okay, when you want to get background, you put the right format. Now I want to get let's say estate background, or say let's say hills, okay, or valley background. Let me say valleys, hills and valleys, hills and valleys. Okay, I'll now put images. Okay, let's say background, then make sure you put PNG. Please always put PNG. PNG means portable network graphic. It will just give you a graphic that has transparent background. If you don't have, at times you see transparent, if you don't see, well, make sure you put it PNG. We want image format. Okay, oh, I've cancelled it. Hills and valleys, hills, or use plus. Whenever you're searching, using Google to search, the word plus means it will search for two items. Okay, to search for hills, and it also search for valley. Okay, so I want it to give me result for hills and valleys at the same time. I see, so hills will come, valleys will come, then background PNG. You can put images before the PNG. Now these are then after this section, make sure you select image. Also, if you click on any background there, it will redirect you to the main site, to the site. Okay, so click on images to display the result in image format. Okay, while all will show you both the link, the main site, and the rest of them. So let's say I want to pick this valley, for example. This valley now has the transparent. You see that white and black there? This white and black dotted means it's transparent. So if you want to pick, you can pick it because of the dot PNG. I added the PNG. So if you don't want the PNG, then you can just put image. Let's say images. Okay, then you see more of background without. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say about this .png. So let me pick one of these pictures. Okay, I want something fair. Let me see, I'm picking something like this. Then I'll save. How do you save? How do you download? How do you save image? Just hold down the screen for some seconds, then download image. You download. Let me look for another one. I'll pick this. Hold down image for some seconds. You download. And that's okay. Now let's go back to our PixALLEB. I'll go back to my PixALLEB. Go to my import. Then I'll go to my download for my phone storage. My downloads. Okay. Then you should see the images I downloaded now. Okay, these are the 2 images I downloaded. So let's try this around if it will fit in. Now don't just click OK. Don't just click on this OK. Okay, click on this 1:1 ratio, because we are working with 1:1 ratio as the entire layer is 1:1. So if I should pick this, it will be wide, and to compress my image, so I'll just click on 1:1 ratio. It will only pick 1:1 ratio section. So I want this section. I don't want all of this section. So I'm picking this side. Then I'll say OK. Now you now click and drag. It's supposed to be background. Sorry, it's supposed to be our background. Let me delete. I made a mistake. Go to our background here. Background from gallery. Okay, I'll pick the same background. 1:1 ratio. Okay, are you seeing it now? I think it's making sense. Now this image is still appearing as if we picked it. It's not blurred. Okay, just like what one of us did, it's still showing this outline. The outline is still there. So we want to go and blow it now. So we need PixALLEB or any other picture editing application. We've done something like this. Then I'll click on save image as PNG. You see here it's showing as JPEG. we can say, okay, let's leave JPEG. Just save by default. Don't use PNG. This is where you select PNG. So let's leave it by JPEG like this. Then save to gallery. Then now open your Beauty Plus, the application you downloaded from the description. You can download from the description or below. Just check the YouTube description. You see the whole of this application you download. Then go to your Pixar, your Beauty Plus. You go to your photo editor. Under the photo editor section now, I'll go to my camera. I'll see my recent PixALLEB. This is my PixALLEB. This is the picture I just edited. I'll click on it. Okay, this is the picture now. At first, if you want to get a nice looking picture, you will need 1 or 2 data, at least let's say 5 kilobytes to just use HD retouch. But before we go into the HD retouch, because this is where the main work is, every other features here based on this Beauty Plus I gave you, it's premium. You can slim, make your face wide, add any features to your face, change your look. Everything is here. I'm telling you, you will love this Beauty Plus. Now let me go to this option. Okay, this to edit, to add contrast and the rest of them. I'll come here. Then I'll go to my magic brush. Let's pick magic brush. We can use lens, we can use magic brush. So let me use magic brush first. Okay, sorry, I say magic brush. Ouch, I've made a mistake. Let me go to my sorry about this. I think I just skipped something. I wanted to blur it. I don't want this. I'll cancel it. I don't want that. So it should be under my enhance. Let me see my enhancement. Okay, that is one. I need to enhance first. Then after that, let me pick something else. Broken lens. No, I just forgot something now. It's been a while. Something I just used now. I just forgot. I don't want this. I don't want this. Don't worry, you can play with all of this. There's something I'm looking for. Mosaic frame. It's on the. Where did I get this? This pass. Okay. It's this pass. Sorry. Under this pass. Now this pass. I will now blur out some area. Okay. As you can see, I'm blurring out close to the hair. Anywhere inside the circle will be light. Okay, but I want something. Let me increase the disperse. Okay, so I'll start seeing the blurriness now. Okay, becoming blur. It's too much. You will not, if you notice now, it's not as if we pick the image. Look at the trouser, this section. Look at this section. I want us to take note of this section. Okay, take note of the hand, these lines. Take note of the hair. Okay, this section, it won't be as if we actually place the image there. Okay, I'll drag my disperse close to the head so that the trouser area now, okay, will blend. You see, this place has blended now. This place will blend. That's how it works. So just arrange it the way you want it until you get what you're looking for. You can reduce the disperse a little. Okay, and the hair, because of the trimming, just play with the application, play with PixArts, you trim the hair. Okay, if I bring this disperse circle down, then that means the hair area will blend a little. Okay, I think it's fair now. Let's leave it like this. I don't want to make it too much. Let's leave it this way. Let me pick my face. I need my face to come out because of 1 or 2 touch I want to make. Okay, but it's affecting the hair. Let me come down. Let's just leave it like, we don't need perfection. Let's leave it like this. I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. And let's leave it like this. Then I'll click on OK. Then under the OK, I'll go back to this editing, which is where I will select HD resolution. I'll click on it. Click on the HD retouch. You can play with these other tools if you want to. Okay, I'm not going there to touch this image. I don't want to go into teaching us Beauty Plus now. It's something you can do on your own. You can learn, play with it. You add so many stunning looks to your pictures. Okay, now just wait for this. This actually something that happens online. Okay, at least I've used, let's say, close to 5 to 6 kilobytes. in converting this image to HD. You see, it's looking more real now, more real. Okay, you can actually create a flyer, a design. After creating it, bring it to Beauty Plus, give it this HD touch, it will be perfect. It's not a must you actually disperse the background the way I did, okay? And you can increase the HD touch. It will now, everything will be okay. The work is looking so sweet now, okay? Then I will click on okay, let me leave it like this. I don't then you can go to this place where this filter, go to filter if you want to. So but before the filter, lightening, I want to add something to my face here, the lightening. Okay, I want to look more real, so you go to lightening, with my lightning. Okay, this is my relight here, so I want to make use of this. I'll click on relight. Then my face here, I want it to be bright. I'll keep this here. I want this place to be bright because there's reflection from this angle of the sun, so you may not see it. It is reflecting on my face, so I want that place to come out. So that's why I'm relighting it, relighting this section. Okay, I want it somewhere here. All right, you can also relight this place too, but I want it here. That is the center of focus. Okay, then I'll go to my filter, click on the filter. Then depending on your skin, you can actually pick different skin, okay, different filter skin that will match what you're looking for. Okay, in my own case, I think I'll go with ivory. This ivory. Okay, I want it dark. I don't want it to, the reason why I don't want it too light is because of the picture. I don't want the outline to come out that much, so you can use something dark. They will not notice you actually place the image there and all that. Okay, then you okay it and you download and you save. Actually click on this download. You should know this is what I clicked on. Okay, then you click on continue. It will now, you see the image is now saved now, so I can find this image in my gallery, and you can also work with it. You can trim, beautify, reduce the shape, all these are, you can trim faces and all that. Okay, with this application, it's a premium app. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave my face like this. Ouch, I just did. Okay, it's okay. So that's just all about Beauty Plus, how to make use of Beauty Plus, PixArt and PixALLEB. Okay, now let's go back to our PixALLEB. I'm done with the editing. I actually wanted to bring in some other features. Okay, some other features that we didn't talk about in PixALLEB. Things like I think how to import image from file, your existing job. I think we did this last time. What else didn't we touch? Okay, I just imported. Okay, we'll create something now. Let's create something now. Let me go back to the theme default. Let's say you want to create a birthday card. I think something like this, it's very necessary. You want to create a birthday card. There are things you need when creating a birthday wishes or a birthday card for somebody. You need a background, a very nice background. You also need frames. Okay, depending the right up, you can, like in our previous video where I showed us how to import font, get a good font. Then it's simple. Don't add too many clips. Don't add too many stickers. It will make your work rowdy and it will not be nice. Okay, let me just create something simple. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. I like breaking my words. Okay, I like breaking it. Let me use happy first, then I'll create birthday separate. I'll create my birthday separately. Okay, yeah, this video will be lengthy, I know, but it's worth it. So it's just like 2 in 1. So this is my happy birthday. Go to your fonts. We all know all this, so you pick any fonts of your choice. I'm gonna make it simple. I'm not putting something. I'm not gonna make it too let me import my fonts. I should have fonts here. I think I've deleted my font. DonVip font. Okay, let me just pick any font. I don't want something. I want something simple. something simple, font. Okay, and I want to add an image now. I want to add an image. Just be creative, okay? It doesn't do it the way I'm doing it. Just be creative. Look for, you know what you're looking for, you know what you want. So just create what you want, okay? Create what you want. Now I'm importing an image, maybe the image of the person you're creating it for, okay? Just get the image of the person. Let me just pick one of this image, like the one I trimmed. Let me pick this image I trimmed. Okay, I can crop this out a little. See, I can use this image, order it to back. I think I showed us how to do this. You order it to back, then you want this again, just something simple. Order to back. Then you can also frame this image. Let me go to crop and use this cropping. I want it to be in form of a circle, okay? Something like this, 101. But it won't work. It won't work because of the kind of image I'm bringing in. So let me just reselect the image and pick another image. Pick another image from gallery. Let's say this is my image bundles. I'm picking any of this image. I'll just make it like this, 1:1 ratio. I only want the face to be like this. I see it, so it will crop it like this. You add the body stuff. You can give it a color. Then for the background, you can use frame as the background. Go to your gallery, from gallery, and under your memory card, I think I have frames here, 1 or 2 frames. So you just get to download. Go to download, you pick frames. I should have some frame. I should have 1 or 2 frames here. I can't see any of the frame here. Okay, I have 1 or 2 frames. Let me pick a frame. Let's say a frame like this, 1:1 ratio, or let's leave it. Okay, 1:1 ratio. Let's leave it like this. I don't want every section of the frame. Just want something like this. With this your picture. You want to create a birthday design for somebody, you can do it this way. Let me add color to my font so I can see clearly. My color and make it black. I just want to keep it simple. Blue and all that, or green. Don't worry, we are not good with colors, so you just create something like this. In this section, you can actually put 1 or 2 quotes here if you want. So to get quotes, I think you can get quotes by clicking on this. Clicking on these quotes, then just pick 1 or 2 quotes from here. You compress it and keep it somewhere. Okay, change the font. The font, I need something smaller. Okay, and make it bold. The bold style, make it bold, italics, and okay. So you can just create something simple. I don't want to go deep designing all this. Okay, then for this image I can add a stroke. Make the stroke line thick, make it thicker, and give it a color like this, or red. Okay, or you can make it okay, let's just give it this color, and we are done. So I just showed us how we can import. So you want to get images, frames, go online, get frames, go online, get background, download the background, just do it within that picture, then you import it. I think these are everything you need about PixALLEB. On your own, you can just browse through, explore it, try some other things. This is the ruler, the grid lines. If you want to measure, you want to measurement, you can neglect. This is the zoom, you want to zoom. And like I said, I talked about font size and all that. All these things, bring these things into practice, okay? That's just it. Then you want to save your project, you click on save, you click on save project, you have a copy of it. And each time you want to continue or open a project, an existing project, you go to this menu and you see open PLP file there to show you a list of all the projects you've created and all that. So I think that should be all about PIXALLEB. Okay, so the reason why I had to create this video is because of the trimming, the erasing, okay, the erasing aspects. This erasing option here, it doesn't work on some device. Like my former device, it works, but on this device it shows application error. That's why I had to go through PixArts. So you can use PixArt also to trim, but PixArt is more easier. Even when I was in my other phone, I didn't use this erase. I used PixArt to get something and to get what I want. Okay, so that's all for now about this. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, it's necessary, and make sure you hit the bell notification icon. Okay, hit it so that each time we upload videos, you get notified on our videos and about things going on. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.